There are so many banks right now that are willing to give you loans in order to improve your business. Whether you are a small business owner or you are a big business owner, it applies to everybody. As long as your business has been up and running for at least 6 months, you are qualified to apply for this loan. And guess what? Some of these banks have a tenure of 4 years, and the decision based on your approval depends entirely on these organizations, these banks. I have seen a lot of comments, like I always reference to these comments because when I see it, I'm like, what? Is it that you guys don't watch my videos? I always emphasize the decision is based entirely on either your credit reports, your credit score, and if you are a customer. There is no loan institution that will give you a loan if you are not a customer. You have to open an account with them. You have to have a credit history or a credit report that is good. If you have taken up a loan before and you did not pay back, there's no way they will give you a loan that you are requesting for. Either they give you a smaller amount or they will not give you at all. And if you are not a customer, especially if you are going to take up a loan with banks, you have to be a customer, either a new or an existing customer. And as a new customer, you have to show that, okay, before you take up this loan for your business, you have to present a 6 months or a 12-month bank statement. And the 6 months is for customers of that bank. Like now, if I'm a UBA bank, if I'm a UBA customer and I want to go and take up a business loan with UBA or from UBA, I would be required to show them a 6-month bank statement, and they can as well take it from my account if I authorize it. But if I am a new customer and let's say I started working, I opened an account with UBA in less than a month, I'll be required to bring my 12-month bank statement from my bank that I have been banking with. So if you are interested in taking up a loan to fund your business, this video is for you. This loan does not need any collateral, so just stick around and watch this video to the end. The first on my list is the Stanbic IBTC Bank. This loan is mainly for the SMEs. So if you're a small business owner, please gather here. As you can see over here, they wrote, do you need working capital for your business? The SME loan is a tailor-made lending facility that is available to businesses for meeting working capital's need and to achieve business goals. So over here, you can see that the benefit of this SME loan is to support us gap funding to meet urgent business demand, ease, speed, and flexibility. So the E is the solution is accessible to existing and new bank customers with limited documentation required. So if you want to have apply for the Stanbic IBTC SME loan, you have to be a customer, either a new customer or an existing customer. Or if you're not a customer, don't bother because they will not answer you. So once you apply, 24 hours time, you will get your delivery. If you are approved for the loan, you will receive your approval letter. If you are denied, you get a denial letter or a mail from them. And the terms and conditions are flexible. The repayment plan is tailor made and based on your customer's cash flow. So if you're a small business owner that does not receive money like every day or every hour, your repayment tenure will be tailored based on that. So if you receive payment, like if you get paid for a product like every day or once a week or once in 2 days or every hour, your repayment tenure will be suited for that mainly. So what you get is availability of short-term working capital to customers. So as a customer, you get a short-term working capital for your business to bridge the short-term financial needs between you and your business needs and your business growth as a customer. How to get it? You, as an applicant, you must fill a formal letter of request for a loan. This, you can walk into the bank and meet the customer care, and then they will get this done for you. You have to write a written letter requesting for a loan. Then a satisfactory credit check from 2 credit bureaus would be required. This, they will do it for you. You don't need to do it, or you can do it yourself. Anyway, like if you want it faster, you can do it yourself, but you can make inquiries when you get to the bank. Then banking history of at least 6 months with Stanbic IBTC Bank or 12 months with other banks. Then registered enterprise or limited liability company documents should be provided. For your business, you should have a document that is registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, and you'll be required to provide that. And over here, for your tax identification number, if you don't have a tax identification number, you can go online and generate that. Then upon loan approval, duly accepted offer letter. So once your loan is approved, which is general, like once it is approved, they will send you an offer letter that you have to sign. It either e-sign, or you can sign and take it to the bank for process. So this is up to you. You can sign it on the internet, or you can take it to the bank after you print out. This is it for the Stanbic IBTC bank loan. The last bank loan on my list is the Access Bank loan. Access Bank has a variety of loans for SME. So if you are an Access Bank customer, you might want to check this out, or you go to the bank and request to meet your relationship manager and ask for a suitable loan that will fit your kind of business. So the first one I'm going to be showing you is the youth loan. This one is for entrepreneurs between the age of 21 to 40 years. You can access up to you can access loan up to 10 million naira with 17% per annum interest rate. The second is the cash flow lending. It is available for existing and new bank customers. You can access up to 10 million naira with a minimum of 1 million naira and maximum of 5 million naira. As usual, the interest rate is competitive with no collateral. So you can come over here and see more of the loan features that you can access. For a school owner, if you have a school and you want to expand your school, as long as your school is registered with the Ministry of Education and the Corporate Affairs Commission, and this is especially for private creche, nursery, primary and secondary school owners, you can access loans from 1 million naira to 50 million naira, and these loans can be used for renovation, buying of facilities, development of your school, paying of teachers and so on. So the interest rate, as usual, is competitive, and you can meet your relationship manager to help you break this out, like help you understand this in a simpler term. Then if you want to purchase a shop for yourself, you can also apply for the loan up to 100 million naira for 60 months. That's the loan tenure is for 60 months. Then you can check if you qualify for any of this loan by downloading the QuickBook app, and you can go through everything there and follow the steps. But if you don't see any of the business loan on the home page of the QuickBook app, you can contact your relationship manager, or you call the bank with this slide over here, or you send them a mail. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you watch to this point, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.